Hello, this is a demonstration on how to install DataCloud from Internet Explorer. Once logged into DataCloud, click on the email on the top right, click Install, a new page will open and we're going to select the Windows version. Click Download. Click Run. If any warning messages come up here, click Yes or Continue. You will now see the DataCloud Setup Wizard. Click Next. Click I accept the agreement. Click Next. This is the fields where we put in the username and password. And click Next. Here you get the option to install as an application or service. In this instance, let's leave it as default. Click Next. Now select where you'd like your local sync folder to be, and click Next. Click Install. You may see your toolbar flash while installation completes. Great, the install is finished. Click Finish. This concludes the installation of DataCloud via Internet Explorer. Thank you.